This is Fox 13 Business Now.
Hi, I'm Carrie Dunn with Fox 13 Business Now, and we're here today with Garrett Handy and Preston Handy. And at Handy & Handy, you specialize in personal injury, and we hear that all the time. So what makes you guys different, and what does it mean exactly?
Well, as personal injury lawyers, we help people who've been injured in an accident because of someone else's negligence. It's something that Preston and I have been doing together combined almost 30 years. And so we really take a lot of pride in what we do in helping our clients. And what we think sets us apart is we want to give our clients individualized and personal attention on all of their cases.
Okay, and what kind of accidents would someone have that come to see you about?
We handle all types of injury cases, but we handle a lot of car accident cases, also auto pedestrian accidents, bicycle accidents, dog bites, wrongful death cases, just to name a few.
And how is someone compensated? It's their insurance, but exactly how much coverage should they have and what do they need to know?
Yeah, virtually every case we handle, we get our clients compensated through insurance. All the time you hear someone say, I have full coverage, but what does that really mean? So it's important for people to know what type of coverage they have and how much coverage they have.
Well, yeah, for example, if someone was injured by someone who didn't have insurance, how would they protect themselves that way?
That's a good question, and that happens quite often. In Utah, you're required to carry insurance if you drive on our streets and highways, but unfortunately not everyone does. So in the event that you are involved in an accident with someone who does not have insurance, you have a coverage called uninsured motorist coverage. And what that does is that protects you and members of your family in the event you're involved in an accident with someone who doesn't have insurance.
Okay, and Garrett, let's say that they have insurance, that someone who injures you has insurance, but maybe it's not enough to compensate for your injury. What do they do then?
Well, in that case, a situation arises where the person that hit you is what's called underinsured. So you can purchase underinsured motorist coverage to protect you for the lack of insurance that the person who caused the accident.
Okay, so what would you have them talk to their insurance company about to make sure they have the adequate coverage?
Yeah, I would suggest that everyone get a hold of your automobile insurance policy, look at your coverages, make sure you carry this uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage because it protects you. And then I would look at, more importantly, how much coverage you have. Talk to your agent and see how much coverage you have, and in the event, it doesn't cost a lot to increase these coverages.
Okay, and so if someone's been injured and they want to come talk to an attorney, how would they get a hold of you?
You could call us at 801-264-6677, and we'd be happy to talk to you about your case at our office. You can also visit our website at handylawutah.com.
Okay, well, thanks so much for joining us. Again, that's handylawutah.com.
This has been Fox 13 Business Now.